Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video on my channel. So now it is time for me to start the animation blueprint series. However, I'm going to do as many videos as I can on it for the moment, just because I'm still trying to decipher what is going on in the animation blueprint to be able to explain it the best I can for y'all. So currently I have a lot of the event graph parts, noted down, or at least understanding what's going on in the event graph part. I'm still trying to make my way through the anim graph part. There's just a lot to take in and whatnot, so I'm going to do the best I can with this series, but I will be jotting the series down in my YouTube channel as a work in progress. But when we look at it, we're going to be going through all of these in the event graph. I'm going to make an individual episode per each thing so we know like what's going on here, and then we can kind of discuss certain parts that's going on in here, as there is some key things going on in the event graph that kind of lead back into this for certain nodes and stuff like that. So that's pretty much what's going to be about in this series, and I'm using this as an introductory video to kind of let y'all know that I am starting it now, and will do my best to go over what is going on in the animation blueprint. So hopefully y'all tune in to my future videos to come with it and whatnot. And if you do like this series, definitely check out my other videos, especially my character blueprint one, and also be aware to check comments where we probably discovered some things that I didn't discuss, or maybe had a lack of understanding at that time, or we had some eureka moments. So definitely be on the lookout for that kind of stuff too, where maybe if I don't explain things properly or whatnot, other people will jot in to be able to put in their understanding of what's going on if I misexplain it. So other than that, guys, please look forward to this animation blueprint series, and hopefully y'all do enjoy it. So other than that, guys, y'all take care, and I will see you throughout the series.